good, YouTube? It's your girl Dana. Welcome back to my channel, Ahooperstouch. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Turn on that bell notification so you are notified every time I drop a new video. Woo! So as you can tell by the title of this video, I am dyeing my hair again for the second time. The first time I used 20 volume developer and Adore semi-permanent, the color cinnamon. So what I'm going to do today is use the Loreal high color and 30 volume developer. So I did do a strand test and it doesn't look as bright right now, but I am going to insert some pictures now to show you all the color I achieved after 45 minutes of the strand test. So I'm gonna insert it now and be right back. Okay, so as you can tell, it is a lighter brown. So it's kind of like the cinnamon color I was going for before. So I'm totally fine with it. I can always, lighten my hair gradually to get to the blonde that I want to get to. So I already have the mixed up. So on the box, it says use 2.5 milliliters of developer and then the whole tube of the coloring. So I have it's already mixed up, and then I'm going to do like I did in the last video, and I'm going to go section by section, putting it on only the ends. I don't want to put it on the roots of my hair. But as you can tell in the last video, I did end up putting it on the roots of my hair. But this is only one tube, so we're going to have to make this stretch. So I'm not going to put it on my roots. So let's get into it, and I'll get right back to you guys after the process.
Saw something special, you didn't push on me, you didn't know effort. You said pull up on me, my actions show better. I like how you moving, you do it, no error. You've always been patient with me, texting back and forth, not sweating my knees. You gave me my space, said that you never leave. Your vibe got me anxious on where this can lead. So where does this lead? Show me what you need. My love's guaranteed, don't be scared of me. It's not what it seems. And I'm just trying to take you there. Hey, you ain't going nowhere. No need to be scared. I'm trying to take you there. And I'ma be right here, boy, I swear. Take you there, 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 take you there. And I'ma be right here, boy, I swear. You keep it so smooth with me. Take me out to show me some new things. You can have anything that you dreamed. I'm not trying to leave, I'm ready, just leave. So try and trust me. It's not the same thing you used to believe. Now my heart's on my sleeve. So where does this lead? Show me what you need. My love's guaranteed, don't be scared of me. It's not what it seems. And I'm just trying to take you there. Hey, you ain't going nowhere. No need to be scared. I'm trying to take you there. And I'ma be right here, boy, I swear. special. You didn't push on me, you did it no effort. You said pull up on me, my actions show better. I like how you moving, you do it no error. You've always been patient with me, texting back and forth, not sweating my knee. You gave me my space, said that you never leave. Your vibe got me anxious, somewhere this can lead. So where does this lead? Show me what you need. My love's guaranteed, don't be scared of me. It's not what it seems, and I'm just trying to take you there. Hey, you ain't going nowhere, no need to be scared. I'm trying to take you there, and I'ma be right here, boy, I swear. Take you there, 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 take you there. And I'ma be right here, boy, I swear. You keep it so smooth with me. Take me out to show me some new things. You can have anything that you dreamed. I'm not trying to leave, I'm ready, just leave. So try and trust me, it's not the same thing. You used to believe, now my heart's on my sleeve. So where does this lead? Show me what you need. My love's guaranteed, don't be.
All right, y'all. So now we are going to add the shower caps. Like I told you guys in the previous video, I always double up. This is the one that I strand tested, so I'm not going to put it up in there. I already washed it, put a little bit of conditioner on it. So yeah, so now I'm going to run around outside. You know, we're in California, so it's a little warm. So I'm gonna run outside with my son, and I'll be back in about 45 minutes to show you guys what the final result is. I'm just so ready for a new color already, guys. And you know, and I'll keep you guys updated throughout this coloring process, because I do want to get to the point where I'm lightening and lightening and lightening my hair to until it gets to the blonde that I want it. So, you know, let's go outside and play some soccer, some t-ball with my son, and I'll be back. Bye. All right, y'all. So I took the cap off. You can definitely see the difference. This has been on my hair for longer than I want to admit. It's been like 50 minutes. Me and my son was having too much fun, but you can definitely tell the difference. And I didn't know it was gonna be that much of a dramatic change on my roots. So, but if you see it, I may or may not do anything on with my roots. But I wanted to come here quickly to show you guys what it looked like before I rinsed it out. So I'm gonna rinse it out, condition it, and then I'll probably come back in a little bit and show you guys what it looks like dry. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, if you have watched it all the way through, thank you for watching. But I did want to come back and show you guys some of my results. I don't know, I like it. Excuse my hair in that last clip. Oh my gosh. I'm on the journey of trying to get it back healthy, get my curls back healthy. I have a lot of heat damage, but I just don't want my hair to be different lengths. So I'm gonna let it grow out, so I'm transitioning. So it's really straight in the front and then it's super curly in the back. So if you guys have any tips or any products that you think that I should use for my hair, please let me know. But yeah, this is the final result and I actually like it. I don't really wear my hair in the wash and go. I should have taken a picture earlier. I did attempt to wash and go earlier, but the straight, wavy, curly combination wasn't my thing. But I live in buns. If it's a low bun, a top bun, two buns, space buns, buns are life. So it did what I wanted it to do. I wanted it to show up a little bit within here, but then just be real different on the end. So I am excited for this new color journey. If there's any other colors that you think I should probably try in the future, let me know, and I'll probably get them to you before you know it, because I don't have to go to blonde just yet. I can go purple, blue, green, and then go to blonde. So thank you, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification so you are notified every time I drop a new video. Yeah! Bye guys.